Assalamu alaikum, dear students and respected viewers. This is Kamrul Hassan, Assistant Teacher Mathematics, Cantonment Public School and College, Soyodpur, Nilphamari. Today I am going to take the class on the topic of profits. It is extracted from the chapter 2 of class 8. Dear students, my selected topic is very easy for you to understand. In day-to-day life, all of us associated with buying, selling and mutual transactions. Suppose someone invests money in the industry, produces commodities and sell those commodities to the wholesale traders in the market, and the wholesale traders sell those commodities to the retail traders, and finally the retail traders sell those commodities to the common buyer. In each stage, everyone wants to make profit, but in some cases there may also be loss. Now we discuss cost price. What is cost price? The purchasing price of anything is called cost price, and selling price of that thing, the thing I have purchased, the selling price of that thing is called selling price. And if the selling price is more than the cost price, then it is profitable, and if the selling price is less than the cost price, there is a loss. We all know actually profit equal to selling price minus cost price, and loss equal to cost price minus selling price. Now we want to solve related problems of profit and loss. Problem number 1. On selling a commodity, the profit of a wholesale seller is 20%, and the profit of retail seller is 20%. If the retail selling price of the commodity is taka 576, what is the cost price of the wholesaler? On selling a commodity, the profit of a wholesaler is 20% and the profit of retail seller is 20%. If the retail selling price of the commodity is 576. What is the cost price of the wholesaler? We calculate actually cost price of the wholesaler. Retail selling price is given. Retail selling price is given. Suppose I bought a pen from the shopkeeper. Shopkeeper is the seller, I am the buyer, and the shopkeeper also buy the pen from the wholesaler, and we actually calculate here cost price of the wholesaler. So the we know the selling price of the wholesaler is equal to the cost price of the retailer, is equal to the cost price of the retailer. Now we want to solve the problem. Let the cost price of a retailer is 100 taka. At 20% profit, selling price of a retailer is 100 plus 20, this is 120 taka. This is the selling price 576, and this is selling price. We want to calculate the cost price of the retailer. If the selling price is 120 taka, cost price is 100 taka. If the selling price is 1 taka, less, so we divide here 100 by 120, and if the selling price is 576 taka, cost price is 100 into 576, 120. You have calculator, calculate now. We get actually here 480 taka. 480 taka. Now I want to erase. $480. Now we know, we write here, this is the cost price of the retailer. So cost price of retailer is equal to the selling price of wholesaler. Selling price of wholesaler. Selling price of wholesaler. Now again let the cost price of a wholesaler is 100 taka. At 20% profit, selling price selling price here actually wholesaler is 100 টাকা. At 20% profit, selling price is 100 plus 20. This is 120 টাকা. Now this is the, we calculate here cost price of wholesaler. This is selling price and 480. This is the also this is the selling price of a wholesaler. Now we calculate cost price of the wholesaler. If selling price is 120 টাকা, cost price is 100 টাকা, and if selling price is 1 টাকা less than 120, so we divide here, and if selling price 480 টাকা, cost price is 100 into 480 divided by 120, then we get this is 4, now 400 টাকা. 400 টাকা. This is the cost price of the wholesaler. You write the answer here. Answer we can write, cost price of a wholesaler is 400 টাকা. Now this one completed. Now we want to solve problem number 2. Dear students, problem number 2 I write first. A shopkeeper sold some amount of pulses 4 টাকা 2375 at the loss of টাকা 5% loss. What is the cost price of the what would be the selling price? What would be the selling price of pulses to make a profit of 6%? A shopkeeper has sold some amount of pulses for taka 2375 at the loss of 5%. Selling this price 5% loss. Cost price is not given. We want to calculate cost price, and then what would be the selling price of pulses to make a profit of 6%. What is the selling price? If we want to make 6% profit, then it will be more clear when we solve the problem. Now solution, first we write the cost price. Let the cost price be 100 taka at 5% loss. At 5% loss, selling price is 100 minus 5. This is 95 taka. We want to calculate the cost price of the pulses. So this is selling price, and here also selling price given. Now we write if selling price is 95 taka, then cost price be 100 taka. If selling price 1 taka, cost price 100 divided by 95. If selling price 2375 taka, then cost price 100 into 2375 divided by 95. Calculate, we get actually 2500 taka. 2500 taka. This is the cost price of the pulses, and he sold the pulses 2375. For this reason, here cost price is 2500 and selling price is less. So for this reason 5% loss. Now next part. $2,500 at 6% profit. At 6%, if selling cost price 100 taka, then at 6% profit selling price be 100 plus 6. This is 106 taka. Okay. Now we want to find the selling price of the pulses at 6% profit. So if cost price be 100 taka, then selling price be 106 taka. If cost price 1 taka, then selling price 106 divided by 100 taka. If cost price 2500 taka, then selling price 100. this is we get 25 and multiply this one, we get actually 2650 taka. You multiply with your calculator, you get this result. So this is the selling price, this is the answer. The selling price of pulses would be 2650 taka. Thanks to view my class. Good luck. Thanks everybody.